hold him,
bwa mbere mfata ikiganza cye mu cyanjye,
his hand can barely fit around.
akaganza ke kari gatonya ndabyibuka,
He had this perfect little smile.
n'uburyo yasekaga amwenyuramo birenze.
You used to have to drive him around at night to get him to sleep.
buri joro naramutwaraga kugira ngo njye kumusinziriza.
Thought about the first time that he walked.
ndibuka bwa mbere uriya mwana amwigisha kugenda.
First time that he called me dad.
ndibuka bwa mbere uriya mwana anyita papa.
No matter,
Yeah.
he's my son.
gusa uko byamera kose niyo nasanga madamu yariteje intanga, uriya mwana azahora ari uwanjye, n'umwana wanjye. Yeah. Katorori. Akorino.
Over a few things.
Fuck away from me.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Yari guhamagara hari uwo yahamagaye byangu ucamo, ni njyewe.
I had to cut a deal to get out.
Numvikanye na polisi kugira ngo nsohoke, babarire.
I wish this could have gone a different way.
Byari kugenda neza ariko
State and then
ngiye kuba ndi kwa mama,
take off for a little while. I need,
ngiye kuba nduhutse,
but there's something I need you to know.
ariko hari ikintu nshaka kumenyesha.
I love you, Rachel,
Ndagukunda Recho,
forever.
iteka.
All I ever wanted was to be with you.
Icyo nahoze nifuza no kubana nawe.
I love you.
Ndagukunda kandi iteka nzagukunda. Yeah. Tabacaho.
Reserved an operating room in pediatrics. No one will be able to access it without my key card, so you guys will be safe.
Bashaka kurino.
As soon
Hano ngiye kubanyuza nta wundi muntu wahinjira keretse ufite ikarita yanjye. Bavayo. Yeah.